This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Greg Pereira. Spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bath single-story CBS home with 2-car garage, and no HOA located in River Park. The 2,200+ square feet split-bedroom floor plan offers a formal dining room, eat-in kitchen, laundry room, and a versatile den/office that can be converted into a 5th bedroom. Home features vaulted ceilings and tile floors throughout the living areas, updated stainless steel appliances, and is equipped with a medical grade HVAC system, full house Generac generator, and 2021 roof. Large master suite west/recently updated bathroom and walk-in closet. Enjoy a spacious covered patio and fenced backyard featuring a fire pit and shed, with plenty of room for a pool, boat, RV, or trailer. Handicap accessible west/accordion shutters throughout. Close proximity to I-95, the Turnpike, schools, shopping and dining. For more information, review the details below.